we have a limited edition item available. It's available right now. I've been dying to tell you guys about this. It's our exclusive limited edition mini cleaning kit. It is a must-have for tackling all the messes wherever they occur. It's available for a limited time now through March 1st at noon Central Time for only $29.99 while supplies last. This little kit includes 3 cleaning essentials. They are your cleaning tools. They're housed in this nice little storage tin, ensuring that we are always prepared for life's little accidents. We don't have to let spills and stains ruin our day. This mini cleaning kit provides an effective solution for quickly and effectively addressing the messes on the go. It has a mini size bamboo multi-purpose cloth, our brand new power cleaning paste, and this awesome little cleaning brush. Everything we need to combat stubborn grime, right? And safety is paramount at Norwex, which is why the mini cleaning kit offers a safer alternative to traditional cleaning methods. It harnesses the awesome power of Norwex microfiber. Our bamboo multi-purpose cloth removes up to 99% of bacteria when using water alone, while the new power cleaning paste delivers some exceptional cleaning without harmful chemicals. This is our new formula, guys. It's a fantastic. It's crafted with sustainability in mind. The bamboo multi-purpose cloth contains USDA certified bio-based content originating from an FSC certified forest, ensuring environmental responsibility and effective cleaning performance. So we can say goodbye for good to harsh chemicals and those disposable wipes. The mini cleaning kit is not only effective, but it's also very eco-friendly. It eliminates the need for paper towels and disposables. We can reduce waste and make a positive impact on our planet. You are going to love the versatility of our mini cleaning kit, which can honestly be used everywhere, from home to dorm rooms, campers, boats, and beyond. Whether you're at home or on the go, this kit is awesome. It provides peace of mind knowing we're going to be equipped to handle all of life's messes safely and effectively. And you can experience the power of our brand new cleaning paste. It's awesome. It's specially formulated to tackle tough cleaning tasks with ease, from sink basins to outdoor surfaces like patio furniture, grills. This paste is fantastic. It gives us long-lasting results without the use of harsh chemicals. The handy cleaning brush is great too. It is included in the kit. It helps scrub away those stubborn messes, ensuring a thorough clean every single time. It's compact and super portable. This kit is great for travel and everyday use. The mini cleaning kit is vegan, friendly, and cruelty-free, providing a guilt-free cleaning solution for conscious consumers. Rest assured, our products are never tested on animals. Now, it's not just for personal use, though, right? This makes a fantastic gift for friends and family who share your commitment to clean living without harmful chemicals. So spread the word and share the love of safe and sustainable cleaning. Learn how to make the most use of your mini cleaning kit with our easy to follow instructions. Now, I think I'm going to stop.